Hi, this is your favorite herbalist, Q Green, and we are going to talk about your herb for today. So your herb for today is going to be called the bitter gourd. Now, a lot of people know it as bitter melon, and it's very, very effective for diabetes. So you would not want to use this bitter gourd for more than 4 weeks, but really I would say 3 weeks, because it is very medicinal and it is a blood purifier and it has a lot of beneficial properties to it. So you don't want to use these type of medicinal herbs for a long period of time due to the fact that it can start to harm the body. So the bitter gourd, it is excellent for diabetes, skin diseases, hemoglobin highs like sickle cell, stomach problems, abscess, acid reflux, acne, arthritis, alcoholism, anemia, bad breath, blood cancer, bone dislocation, bruises, burns, yeast infections, bronchitis, body lice, blood disorders, chest congestion, cold, constipation, dandruff, diarrhea, earaches, deafness, fractures, heart diseases, hepatitis, inflammation, pain, fever, herpes, gout, itching, IBS, high cholesterol, kidney and liver diseases, HIV and AIDS, high cholesterol, measles, itching, insect bites, nosebleeds, infections, paralysis, styes, snake bites, spleen enlargement, colic, breast cancer, colitis, headaches, jaundice, stomach acne, tumor, vomiting, psoriasis, rabies, heart diseases, and like it's a lot of other different pains and stuff that it does help. And like I said, it's a blood purifier. It helps the flu, pneumonia, phlegm, or what you would say mucus. Now, it's anti-diabetic. It is alkaline. I'm going to skip that portion because I don't want the wrong people taking that part and then trying to do it. Women, I mean. So I'm not going to mention what it does on that note because I'm not about to be, But it is, it is anti-fertility, anti-cancerous, anti-parasitic. It's an antioxidant. It's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. It's a great, great immunity booster. It's therapeutic. It's a sedative, a stimulant, an astringent. I keep telling you, it's a blood purifier. So for those who have illnesses and sicknesses, I would very, very highly recommend that because it is, like I said, a blood purifier. It's antioxidant, antiviral, anti-tumor. It's an appetite to increase the appetite for you. It's a laxative, anti-malarial, anti-cancerous, aphrodisiac. Now, too many dosages, like I said, it can decrease the production of semen for men. So, like I said, you don't want to do too much of it. And it also will cause like gastrointestinal disorders for not just men, but women too. Let's see. Now, I told you it's best used for diabetes. It alleviates dry scalp, hair loss, dandruff, lice. It combats earaches. It promotes speedy clotting of the blood. It eliminates the toxins and it refines the blood circulation. It treats respiratory issues like asthma, wheezing, and the chills. It decreases the blood in the sugar level, which regulates the diabetes. So that's why it's such a great herb for diabetes. It promotes weight loss. It increases your metabolism. It stops the growth of cancer cells. It protects the liver and it keeps it healthy for a lot of people who want to sit and drink, You might want to reverse this so you don't get sick. It boosts the stamina and it suppresses fatigue. It nourishes the skin, making it beautiful. And like I said, it treats like AIDS, HIV, kidney stones, the flu. It makes the immune system really, really strong. It's antiviral, anti-malarial. It works for, thank you. It works for herpes, chicken pox, measles. It balances the high blood pressure. Now, the nutrients in here is the potassium, alkaloids, calcium, copper, good fat, iron, lutein, folate, steroidal properties, you know, like people who are on steroids. Yes, this would help you. It has vitamin A, vitamin B12, B2, B3, B5, B6, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin, I think it's F or something like that. But yeah, it has a lot of vitamins in it. Oh, and zinc as well. Now, you do not want to mess with the seeds because the seeds are toxic. So you would take the seeds out of the fruit if you were to use this. Now, yes, this is the actual bitter melon, the bitter gourd, whichever you want to call it. But yes, you would split it in half and you would take the seeds out. Now, it does induce abortion. So you would not want to take this fruit if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, of course. Now, it helps for psoriasis, which is the dry skin. Like I said, all of this stuff relies on you purifying your blood and hydration. So you want to drink a lot of water and stuff like that. This is how people do not pass their toxins throughout their body, and then there's no way for the toxins to expel throughout your blood. Now, as far as the hemoglobin, like I was saying, this is like one of the main ingredients that you use for sickle cell patients because it draws the hemoglobin out of the cells, which usually is too much in that cell and it causes the cells to go sickle. So the hemoglobin is a protein. It's red in color because the molecule, it has an iron atom. The function is to carry the oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body and to bring back the carbon dioxide. Now, the oxygen needs to be carried from the lungs to the rest of the body. The carbon dioxide needs to be brought back from the body to the lungs. So the carrier is the hemoglobin, which is a part of the red blood cells. So yes, that is very important for people with sickle cell. This is Q, your favorite herbalist. Thank you for watching. Again, the herb for today was bitter melon. Now, if you do want to know more about this bitter melon, I do have a Facebook that I do a lot more stuff on if you would like to see, because I'm going to go live on it to tell people how to, you can juice this, you can tincture it, you can do the leaves, as long as you don't do the seeds. Like I said, the seeds has toxins in it, so you do not want to do the seeds. And again, thank you for watching, your favorite herbalist. Bye-bye.